High above the forest floor, this is Whistlepunk Trail, where history and nature meet in the heart of the Pacific Northwest. This peaceful trail once echoed with the sounds of steam engines, saws, and cables. Today, it's a place to walk through time. The trail begins here with a map that outlines a journey through Washington's logging past. Just steps in, you'll find your first relic, a massive piece of equipment once used to lift entire trees. The forest has reclaimed it, but the iron tells the story. The path winds gently through the woods, each turn revealing another reminder of the old timber days. This sign marks what's left of the yarding donkey, an early steam engine that dragged logs from the woods to the rail lines. Nearby, the remains of a spark arrestor and chimney still stand, rusted, mossy, but unmistakably human. Nature has swallowed up the tools of the trade, cables wrapped around trees, barrels rusted by decades of rain. Old rails lead toward a quiet wetland where the sound of frogs and wind have replaced steam and smoke. Moss-covered trees, a footbridge over clear water, this forest thrives again. As you walk deeper into the woods, the trail seems endless, but every step connects you to history. Whistlepunk Trail, where the Pacific Northwest whispers its past through every rusted bolt and mossy beam. Thanks for watching Stars Adventure Freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more outdoor adventures.